I wonder if the state does not take Brown Mokgotsi under witness protection, then the state would have failed in South Africa. They would have failed in South Africa if they do not protect Brown Mokgotsi up until he figure this a week or two that he asked for in order for him to appear at the Madlanga Commission. If on those or in these 2 weeks he's not protected by the state, they would have failed in South Africa. Now, Brown Mokgotsi, Fikile Mbalula came and said Brown Mokgotsi is not an ANC member. Brown Mokgotsi shot back and said, I am an ANC member and an active ANC member with a membership card. Those are words of someone who's ready to talk. Those are words of someone who's oti, you can't do nothing. If you touch me, I'm ready to talk. They all denied Uket Matlala. They all denied Vusi Ket Matlala. They all denied Vusi. Even Shadrack Sibiya says, I know Vusi Ket Matlala, but we never been friends. Mina naye besibonana nje around Espoiseni because of that's where he's mostly famous. He's well known in the SAPS. Only Brown Mokgotsi is now saying that we know Vusi Ket Matlala and we know what he has done for the ANC, the contributions that he has made for the ANC, the contribution that he has made for individual members within the ANC. Brown Mokgotsi says, I will talk. I'm willing to talk. Just give me a week or two so that I can finalize this into Zami, but I am willing to talk. And if the state does not protect Brown Mokgotsi, then the state would have failed South Africans. The state would have not been, like we state isingafuni justice kule case there or on these allegations made by General Mkhwanazi. If the state fails just to do that one thing and protect that guy, then they must know Guti by if anything happens in Brown Mokgotsi, the state would have failed in South Africa. I am saying that Brown Mokgotsi must be put under witness protection up until his day comes at the Madlanga Commission. And I believe that after that day, a lot of people will be exposed. And the state must make sure that Brown Mokgotsi is given a new identity. The state must make sure, because of that guy is willing to talk. That guy, he's saying, Guti, I can lose it all, I don't care. But I am here to speak and I'm going to speak my mind. Now, whether Intazwi Kuluma is factual or it's hearsay evidence or whatever the case is, it doesn't matter. But Brown Mokgotsi is willing to talk. And I'm going to say one more time, the state must protect Brown Mokgotsi up until his day comes at the Madlanga Commission. Protect Brown Mokgotsi.